Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Today's Hanuman Chalisa verse is Sab Sukha Lahai Tumhari Sarana Tumu Rakshaka Kahu Ko Darana. Sab all, Sukha happiness or pleasures, Lahai stay, Tumhari in your, Sarana refuge, Tuma you, Rakshaka protector, Kahu ko why, Dharna be afraid. Hanumanji, all happiness stay with those who take refuge in you. You are the protector, why be afraid? This is the general meaning of this particular verse. In generally, all normal human beings, our description of happiness is very subjective. Sometimes same things will bring us both happiness and distress. So, based on circumstances, we change our opinion on those things. In Mahabharata, Vidura says, people perception of happiness or people consider it as happiness. There are 6 things. Those things people consider as happiness, tools. This is what Vidura says to Dhritarashtra. Arthagamo nityam arogitacha priyacha bharya priyavadi nicha vashyascha putro arthakaricha vidya shadjiva lokasya sukhani hetavaha. Arthagama, people need uninterrupted wealth. They consider they are happy. If they are disease free, there is no illness, they think we are happy. If they have a nice friend and they can depend upon them during difficult situations, they feel that we are happy. And if they have a sweet spouse, they never irritating, they never fight each other, they think they are happy. Vashyascha putro, the people, who matured kids and understanding kids, they understand our emotions, follow our instructions, and become good citizens, we think we are happy. And arthakaricha vidya, whatever the education we have, that education, if that education brings wealth in our life, and we think we are happy. If it brings social status in our life, we think we are happy. But this happiness is materialistic happiness only. It is not temporary, it is not permanent happiness. It is only temporary one. The ultimate bliss is something else. To have that permanent bliss, that ultimate bliss, we have to surrender unto God. For that, we have to get required knowledge. to get that required knowledge, we have to be immersed into ocean of devotion. For that, we need renunciation. Unless we surrender unto you, Hanumanji, we won't be able to achieve our spiritual goal. You will show us the path of permanent bliss. Because except Ramji and Ramanama Japam, you are not interested in anything. You firmly believe that ultimately Ramji will take care of everything. So, if we are under your protection, we don't have to be worried or feared of anything. As Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Name bhaktah pranashyati. We know that if we have unblemished faith and devotion in God, we won't be destroyed. So, you will show that spiritual path to us if we are under your protection and guidance. So, our salutations to you, Hanumanji. In this particular verse, Tulsidas ji further emphasizing the importance of taking shelter of knowledgeable people and their guidance in the path of spiritual journey. They show us, they teach us, and they guide us step-by-step procedure if we are under their protection. But our ego or ignorance won't let us to accept other advices. We don't want to be in spiritual path until we get into trouble in life. Even sometimes we suspect God's existence as well. We think we are everything. But when we are in trouble, we curse the God for giving us trouble in life. But when we are happy, we won't thank that God for that happiness. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Sukha dukhe same krutva labha labhau jaya jayo. It means your perception should be the same on both happiness and distress, profit and loss. If human beings think that they are responsible for their happiness, then they should not blame anyone for distress. Same way, if they think that they are responsible for their profit, then they are responsible for their loss as well. But if we start thinking that everything is because of God, happiness, distress, profit and loss, everything, it is because of God, then nothing will going to bother us. Because person who leave everything in God's hands will eventually sees God's hands in everything. But this clarity of thinking is possible under the guidance of true Jnani or truly knowledgeable person. That Jnani is none other than Hanumanji. So we must surrender unto him. If we surrender unto him, we don't have to be in search of happiness or feared of anything. He will take care of us. This is what the inner meaning of this particular verse. Hope you all enjoy it. God bless you all. Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Shubharatri.